Hello everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. Now, we all like to be energetic and active throughout the day. Today I'm going to share a wonderful, delicious, nutritious and wholesome drink that's going to keep you really energetic. And it's a very healthy drink loaded with dry fruits and nuts. So let's get started and check it out. So the first step is to soak all the dry fruits and nuts. I have kept all the dry fruits and nuts ready here. So let's start by adding the walnuts. Just adding about 3 pieces. Next add about 5 almonds, 4 cashew nuts, a teaspoon of unsalted pistachios, a teaspoon of pumpkin seeds. Next add a teaspoon of sunflower seeds. Next add 1 teaspoon of melon seeds. Now for the dry fruits, add 2 pieces of figs, a teaspoon of golden raisins, 2 large pitted dates. Pour enough water so all the ingredients are completely immersed. We need to soak this overnight or for about 6 to 8 hours. Here are all the soaked dry fruits and nuts. Strain the soaked ingredients, discard the water, and you can see all the dry fruits and nuts are soaked beautifully. Transfer the soaked dry fruits and nuts to a blender. To this I'm adding 1 large banana cut up. To this I'm adding about half cup of boiled and chilled milk. Strain the soaked ingredients, discard the water, and you can see all the dry fruits and nuts are soaked beautifully. So you can add milk accordingly to get the right consistency for this drink. Make sure you blend it to a nice smooth and creamy texture. The refreshing drink is ready. You can serve this energy drink immediately as soon as you make it. I'm just garnishing with a few sliced pistachios. I have this instant energy booster with me and I'm going to enjoy it nice and fresh. Wow, this is so good. So refreshing, especially with the summer coming up. If you're feeling low on energy, this is something that you can whip up and make sure you have it immediately. You don't want to store it in the refrigerator or keep it for later. It's best you have it nice and fresh. So as you can see, it's a very simple and easy to make energy drink. Definitely you will enjoy it. So do give it a try. Let me know how it turned out for you guys and how you enjoyed it, and share it with your family and friends. So for more exciting and wonderful recipes, subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to get your notifications. The second edition of the home cooking book is now available on Amazon as well as on shop.homecookingshow.in.